Hey there. Today we're making Black Angus potatoes au gratin. These are cheesy and they're perfect for anything coming off the grill. So let's get started. First, we're going to boil the potatoes, let them cool and peel them and set them aside. In a medium saucepan, we're going to melt our butter, add our onions, garlic, and saute until translucent. Then we're going to add our flour and we're going to stir until nice and smooth. Now we're ready to add our warm milk slowly and then our cheddar and Parmesan cheese until nice and smooth. Slice the potatoes into 1/4-inch slices and lay them in a buttered casserole dish and then follow it up with that cheese sauce. We're going to spread it over the top as evenly as possible. And then we're going to sprinkle our cheddar cheese and our Parmesan, and then a little sprinkle of paprika. Bake at 350 for 25 to 35 minutes and you're all set. If you like extra cheesy, then just double the sauce ingredients. The directions and the recipe are down below. I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know if you try it. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.